My name is Jason McDavid and I own Down Home Diner. We opened up in 1987. We offer a spot to sit down, to relax, to have a beer, to get away from the hustle and bustle of the Reading terminal, even if it's just for 30 minutes. And our focus is on making our breads from scratch. We make everything at the restaurant. We roll out our biscuits every single morning, pulling them out of the oven right as we open the doors. And we feel like our roots, they're genuine. They come from my father, who grew up in rural Virginia, and taking those recipes we learned from the South and bringing them here to Philadelphia.